Hello everybody, welcome back to Bell CB for another RCI-2970N2. We'll be doing a few of these today. This one here is for you, Lewis in New Jersey, and it's a tune-up report. Lewis over here, I'm looking at 100 watts across the top scale. 60 is going to land right in there. Just about 60, and if I drove it all the way down, it's right about 6, so it's just below 10 there. Okay, and on this meter we have a peak reading, 250 watt slug on this peak reading meter, so we're looking at the top here, 150, 200, 250s all the way over. Turn the power back up, turn the mic gain down.
Audio check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, upper sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio chart, 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 chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio chart, chart.
About 200 watts upper sideband. Now we'll try FM.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check.
Let's make sure she's receiving good.
Break going there for radio check.